Start your day with this message and let its power fuel your journey. If you're tired of letting people steal your peace, this is your reminder: you control your energy. Stop letting others' words, background noise that reflects them, not you, determine your mood or direction. Every time you share your voice, opinions, or dreams, someone may push back. That doesn't mean they're right, it means they're revealing themselves. Discipline? That's built every single day. Not when it's easy, but by showing up when you don't feel like it. When life tries to knock you off course, when rejection hurts, when loneliness kicks in, discipline is doing the work anyway. That's where character arises. Anger is heat, use it or get burned. Your purpose should harness your energy, not distract from it. Choose calm confidence over reaction. After all, greatness lives at the intersection of passion and peace. We're talking emotional control. The greatest leaders I've ever known don't take everything personally. They don't give their peace away. They stay locked in on their mission, and sometimes that means walking away from drama, toxicity, or emotional triggers. That's the fortress around your dream. Walking away isn't weakness, it's power. Not every battle deserves your attention. Not every person deserves your presence. Protect yourself like you protect your purpose. Let go when it's time and keep moving forward. Forgiveness? It's for you, not them. It's a gift to your mind and spirit. You're not doing it for them, you're doing it to reclaim freedom. Forgiveness means you decide to move on, undefeated. Live calm. Live centered. You'll face storms, but you don't have to lose your center in them. True strength isn't measured in how loud you shout back. It's measured in how quietly you can stay true to yourself when everything's falling apart. So here's today's challenge: don't react, respond. Don't get pulled into every argument or distraction. Stay focused on your why. Today, when someone tries to shake you, stand firm. If chaos swirls, stay still. When your door closes, build another. And if fear shows up, remind it, you faced worse and you came out stronger. Discipline is your baseline. Peace is your weapon. Purpose is your fuel. Undisturbed, unbroken, unstoppable, that's you. Watch this every day. When you wake up, put this on. Drive to work, hear these words. Let them remind you, your peace is priceless. Your life belongs to you. Choose it wisely. Stay locked in on your vision. Live your quiet strength out loud. And if you stumble, good. Means you're trying. Means you're growing. Means you're alive. So, no excuses today. No distractions. No giving your energy to things that don't matter. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more motivational speech. Thank you.